Hello?
Hi.
Hi.
Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Today is the first day of
Day
January of 2014.
14.
And me and the girls and Toby here are chilling in the bed. We're just seeing what we can get into, watching Happy Feet on TV. And we wanted to say Happy New Year to everybody. And we hope you have a wonderful year. And we hope it's blessed and full of lots of happiness and success. Do y'all want to say anything?
I do.
What do you want to say?
I want to say it's nice and quiet and really, really soft.
What? It's never quiet in this house.
I want to say
What do you want to say?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Say Happy 2014.
Mom.
Can you say, Toby, you want to say something?
Happy New Year.
Say Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Happy January.
Say Happy New Year.
Happy
Toby.
January.
All right. Everybody say bye.
Bye.
Mwah. Happy New Year.
Happy New
Say,
Year.
Toby, say bye.
Bye. Happy New Year.